Turkey continues to suffer from extreme weather conditions. On the evening of September 5th, heavy rains hit Istanbul. Severe flooding occurred in several areas of the metropolis. More than 120 liters of rain per square meter fell. The streets have become like rivers. The water blocked hundreds of cars on the roads. More than 1,700 buildings were affected by heavy rains. 12 people are being treated at the hospital. As of September 6, authorities have reported 2 deaths. One death was recorded in the Vasaksehi district and one in the Kukaksemes district. Note that the rains followed a dry summer. During that period, water supplies in Turkey's largest city fell to their lowest level in 9 years.